tractor by 3-point ring, and then it is very easy to cut. It is cutting on the side, and once you cut, everything will be operating from this side of the machine. As you could see, you know, this is a blower that after cutting, it will be putting onto this. It will be putting onto this bin, and then it has 2 wheel to load almost like 2 ton of Napier into this, and then you could really open it and then dump it out. Here, this machine is possible to do like 4 or 5 ton of 4 or 5 acres of harvesting every day. You don't have to have a manual labor. Just one labor with a tractor, you can harvest 10 acres or 1 acre per hour every day. And then come close. And this is the machine. This is the side. It's not a very complicated machine. It's very simply built so that every farmer can handle the machine very easily and run it. And this is the PTO. It is attached to the PTO link of the machine, and this is what powering the entire machine to run it and cut it and harvest it. It's called Napier Harvester, or in India we call Napier, sometimes we call it elephant grass, whatever. And this is the grass is harvesting. This is the grass is harvesting, and you know, it cuts here, so the harvesting, whatever is harvested goes into the bin directly, and you could see the cutting quality of it. Come closer. You could see the cutting quality of this is like very sharp, and very little is left over, no damages. You could see this is harvested properly and you don't have any problem. Okay, so it's a very good machine. Very small, you know, so the cows can eat it. You know, it's like very small bits, so it's easy for the cow to eat, you know. And then you just have to... For Napier harvesting, no need manual harvester. It is the best we could find for this price. It is made in India, and it is designed and tested in Thailand, and the same company is manufacturing in India right now and marketing. So we have a sales office in India, and then a service center in India, so that you could run this machine without any problem. If at all, if it breaks out, most of the time it is very simple mechanism that you can repair by yourself. But if you can't, show me. If you can't, then you can call our technical support. We will come and we will give you a full support and service it for you. But this machine can run for 10-15 years without any trouble. And the life is like 20 years, and you know, if you have a larger scale of harvesting, it can do Napier harvest or any kind of harvesting that needs the grass to be cut into very small pieces. And you could show here inside how the quality looks. That's how the cutted grasses look. It goes on to this little blower. The blower will put the harvest green grass into that. Don't tilt like that. It should be straight always. Yes, yeah, that is the way it should be. Okay, thank you so much. Now we are going to operate the machine and show you. Okay.
this is very nice machine. If you are going to be harvesting Napier harvester or elephant harvester, it is going to be very good because it needs a lot of effort to harvest. This kind of machines can do the job easy. And then you could have your cattle not grazing because it is cut already so that they are ready to eat, and it is not a full grass, so it is already chopped into small bits and pieces, so it is very easy for the cow to eat this Napier grasses, and you can save a huge amount of money and labor on harvesting these machines, these grasses. So, you know, if you're planning to harvest in a season, you could save up to 80–90% of your harvesting money and put it into your pocket. All this goes into your savings account, and it's pure money, pure commerce. There is no gimmicks about it. This machine is straightforward, hit and money-making machine that could be making money on day-to-day basis for your for payments to be commitments to be fulfilled. We are here to enhance farmers' life and then make them life easier so that they can remain profitable without any lots of payments or labor problems, day-to-day activity. You know, this will throw into the bin, and only one day you could be harvesting 1 acre. I'm sure. I'm very sure about it. You know, I'm here with my machine, which we sold it 3 years back. Now still it's running. The machine is tested in Thailand, and for almost like 5 years. Now we are introducing the same machine in India, which is made in India, so you don't have to pay through your nose in order to own one of these machines in your farm. But you know, if you don't have a lot of acres, if you know somebody, you know, in your area there is like more than 100 acres, you could buy this machine and, you know, harvest it and just provide the service. Still you make money, and you know, you grow every day. You know, basically that's it. You know, you don't have to own a machine just for your farm. You can own it for any purpose that you own to harvest for others also. That way, you know, it's very simple to operate, attached to the PTO, huge money, profit every day to your account. Believe it or not, this is a win-and-win machine for Napier grass. You don't have to pay huge money to own one of this machine at your yard.
And then you just and you know, they eat very comfortably. They don't have to cut the grass while eat. So all they have to do is just grass and eat. And it's very easy for them to live like that. And there is no problem for them to live their life comfortably on the shed. Okay? Show the shed. On the shed with the shade so they can relax. You don't have to be in the sun to eat their food. If they're in the sun, their productivity goes very low because their heat absorbs a lot of moisture from their body, and the chance of producing milk, better milk or nutrition milk, goes down. So what we do, we use our machine to cut and then bring that to the cow, and cows feed them very comfortably at a very nice location
without any trouble. So in this way, we have a better milk, better nutritious milk, and the cows don't have to go grazing on the day sun or heat. In this way, the cows have a better life, and they can have peaceful, calm, quiet life and produce better nutritious milk for our humans to consume. This is a cycle. We always love cows, we always love milk, we always love natural cattle like that. The problem is in India we don't give them proper food. We take them in the hot sun and they are having a lot of problems. They are not humans like us, they can't open the mouth and talk. Unfortunately, they also need comfort and they want to eat in their own home, which is the shed. Please do this for the cattle's sake and bring them back to their comfort level. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you.